My previous video, I was kind of poking fun at one of my viewers that sent a funny email, but brought up a valid point about notifications with Field Nation. They send out these notifications when a ticket gets assigned to another technician. But according to the comments that I'm getting, it looks like there are other guys that are saying that even though they've turned off the notifications and they've watched my video, that they're still getting these notifications. So to me, that says there might be a bug or something going on with Field Nation's notification system. I've got some contacts at Field Nation. I mean, I don't have any influence, so don't take this the wrong way, but I do have some contacts in the upper levels that I thought maybe I could help everybody out. Instead of having all of you guys go in and create individual tickets, if I can get information from you to say, hey, here's a user, they're having this issue with the notification thing, and I could send this to Field Nation and say, hey, there's multiple people with this same problem. Maybe we could get this addressed for the entire community, for everybody that's on Field Nation. So what I'd like to have you do is, and I'll put a link in the description of this video, but basically go to my website, because I can't put my email address out here on YouTube because then I'll just get flooded with spam. So go to my website. There's a link in the description. It'll go to our contact us page. Send me a message through that. I'll send you an email back, and send me your Field Nation username, maybe a screenshot of your profile, something that identifies you, so that I could send that to Field Nation and say, hey, here are some users that are all having the same issue. They've all turned off the notification for when a job gets assigned to another tech, and they're still getting that notification. And my hope is that I could send a few of your profiles into Field Nation and say, here's examples, see if you can figure out what's going on, and maybe we can facilitate a change here and get this fixed. I know that Field Nation doesn't want their techs to be unhappy, and they don't want their system to work improperly. If you haven't watched the previous video, it is called Operation Tinfoil, exposing Field Nation's alleged PSYOP. And that's based on the email I got from a guy named John, quote unquote. Funny, but it's actually good information. So I'll put a link to that in the video as well, of this video, so that you can watch that if you want to. And then next week I'm releasing another video, which is a workaround. So in the meantime, or in the event that Field Nation doesn't fix this notification issue, there's another workaround, and it's using filters and things like that. So watch for next week's video, or if you're watching this in the future, just go to the next video, and it'll get you some information. And I use this workaround for other actual useful purposes for other types of notifications as well. And so I think you'll find that video very helpful. As always, let's get you out in the field making money. I'll see you in the next video.